I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla cake at home. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring butter and eggs are at room temperature for the best texture. Prepare your baking pans by greasing and flouring them thoroughly, or lining with parchment paper. This crucial step prevents sticking and ensures your beautiful cakes release easily. Having everything ready before you begin makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's create that delicious batter. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, incorporate the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition to ensure everything is fully combined. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients with milk, beginning and ending with the dry, mixing just until combined for a tender crumb. It's time to bake. Pour your prepared batter evenly into your pans and place them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans for about 10 minutes before inverting them onto a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here ensures a sturdy cake for frosting. Once your cakes are completely cool, it's time for the best part, frosting. Prepare your favorite vanilla buttercream, ensuring it's smooth and spreadable. Apply an even layer to your cake, decorating as desired. A beautifully frosted cake is a true masterpiece. And speaking of delightful, if you're looking to freshen up your car, check out the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade vanilla cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.